Hi everyone, this is Johan from Motive. This is a quick demo of our first iteration of the CEQA AI application, designed to help renewable energy developers forecast likely environmental review requirements early in the project lifecycle. Using just the project location and type, the tool predicts which CEQA impact areas are likely to be triggered. So you start by entering basic project details like the location, the project type, and the size. So here's a solar project in Fresno County. And then we draw a polygon on the map to denote the parcel of land we have. So the tool then validates the area based on factors like existing development, water bodies, or restricted zones. So let me go ahead and just draw a quick polygon somewhere around, let's say here. So this is where I wanted to build my solar project. Right, so now this should do a quick background check to see if it's all okay. And it looks like it is. No restricted zones overlap. It's within the Fresno County boundaries. So once that's done, you can click Analyze Project. So in the future versions, we plan to highlight nearby points of interest, like churches or buildings, just to let the developer know which points of interest might be impacted. Let me click this. The tool then recommends what kinds of documents are required in the CEQA process. So here we can see it recommends a full EIR, and alongside this, it outlines the expected CEQA review path. The output also includes detailed justifications based on CEQA guidelines and regional planning data. So this is drawn from similar past projects. So you can see the impact areas here, like biological resources, agricultural conversion, and glare, along with what the problems exactly are. So here you can see the CEQA trigger justifications as to why these are triggers. And again, this is taken from similar projects in similar areas. On the right, users can explore mitigation strategies used in comparable cases, and this goes over what these projects did to combat this problem. Right. So, for example, in the Westland Solar Park project in Kings County, this was what was done to mitigate these potential problems. The same goes for agricultural conversion and glare. And finally, users can dive into reference projects like this Selma Casita solar project, which also was built in Fresno County. So this had the same key issues. So if the developer wants to know how they dealt with these issues, they can view this data from the CEQA website. So all this data is drawn from real-world environmental CEQA documents. And that wraps up the demo. Thanks for watching.